So here we are at the beginning of our trial, and I've literally just diluted the iron stain away 1 to 3 with water and applied it to the surface of this candela grey sandstone. And we'll just leave that for a few hours to work, and hopefully we'll be able to repeat the same experiment again. You can see on the right hand side of this tile where the product was previously applied and tested. We're just running another trial now to see just how long it takes to remove the brown staining from this stone. Obviously the brown staining in the stone is actually caused by the iron content oxidizing or reacting to the atmosphere and gradually turning from a grey to an orange, eventually then to a brown, staining the surface of the stone. So it's been about 30 minutes now, and you can see that we are making quite good progress after applying the product. It was obviously originally all this dark brown colour. It's faded as much as this in just 30 minutes. You can see in some areas it's still a little bit wet as well. So I think we'll come back again in another 30 minutes and see the result. Well, welcome back. It's been another 30 minutes and you can see that it's started to dry out now. The staining has almost entirely disappeared. When you compare it to this area here, it's quite a dramatic difference. I would say that this has probably reached the point where it can be rinsed off now with a bit of water. So having rinsed it and washed it down, as soon as it's dry, it's a good idea to then apply a sealer. And what the sealer does is it stops moisture penetrating the stone and aggravating the iron in the stone, causing the rust stains to return. So we always recommend or suggest to our customers, after using the product to remove the iron stains from your stone, always consider sealing it to help prevent it from returning.